Hi guys, welcome to the show. Today is 24th of March, and just out of nowhere I've decided to try a little bit of modification on the 190. So we're going to do a front suspension modification. Basically I'm going to extend the lower control arms and move the pivot point on the steering knuckle for the tie rods. So we're going to get from 2.5 tons, a little bit more angle. I will show you what we get at the moment. From that position, about 2 tons, 1.5 really. We get that much steering lock. So I'm gonna take the lower control arms off, and then I'm gonna extend them a little bit and try to achieve a little bit more steering angle. Because on 27th there's another drift day on Aldershot, so let's see how that goes. And yeah, let's see if we can make that little guy steer a little bit more. So springs are out, they're pretty thick, just pull them out and they fall off. And we're gonna take the shock off, the knuckle off, sway bar, steering linkage. I have cleaned with a wire brush most of them, and I have lubed them with WD-40, but as you can see they're new, so it should be pretty easy to adjust, hopefully. So I'm going to remove all that, and I'll show you where I'm going to cut, what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to remove the steering arm anyway, so I can cut it and weld it on the table. Way easier. But yeah, we're just going to chop it over here and move it right over there where the caliper thing is. I'm gonna just chop that off so we have space for it, but it's gonna be over here so it doesn't lock up on the full turn. But yeah, you'll see that in a second. So the lower control arm is off. I have made 2 slices over there so I can realign it after that. It's set up in the loud, that's what I call it, and I'm gonna make a cut right where the old weld is. So let's go. Up. I just need to clean up the cut and get the 2 inches in there, and that should be all about it. I know that it's going inside the original piece which holds the ball joint, but I'm gonna use a really thick tubing, and I'm gonna brace it after that anyway, so hopefully it works. The tubing is gonna be with the size of the lower control arm material, thickness wise. It's basically a scaffold tubing this one over there. So yeah, let's clean these welds up and make space for new tube. So there it is, tucked in place. There's one up here, one down there, one on the side and on the other side. I think that's the way it's supposed to be. But looking at these, I might need to rotate it a little bit. I'll just check on the other wishbone if that's under an angle like that or if it's straight up. Because over here it looks straight up the way it was supposed to be, but down on the post it doesn't. So I'm just gonna check with the other wishbone, and if these are in a straight line, I'll just rotate them in a straight line, tack it again and test fit it on the car, and then fully welded in. There it is, all welded up. I don't think I'm gonna brace it. I don't think it's gonna bend or whatever. I did confirm that's the way the holes sit. They're not perfectly in line, and I get is so the Ackerman of the car with the caster, not really sure, it doesn't go off. But yeah, that's pretty much about it, I think. I hope we have welded them all perfectly straight and square, but we'll see how it goes on 27th. So let's put them on, see and compare with that. So the tie rod is being extended by 2.25 inches. So about there. And remove the grip point over here. Basically chop it off and we'll get on the other side. So let's assemble and test.